Alright, so today is ferry day. Are you excited? We're going to be going on the ferry ride around the city. It's my first time going around the city. Usually I would go to Devonport or Waiheke, but
Can we
this
go
time,
to a big ferry before?
I think it is a big ferry.
I want to go to a big ferry with rooms that you could sleep for 5 minutes.
It's definitely going to be rooms in there, I think. But yeah, this is the city, the port area. Just gonna park over there. Oops. Careful. Watch your step.
I really want to.
Careful, come. Alright, we're catching the 1:30 p.m.
Wow.
ferry ride.
I really want to swim right now.
Okay, we'll come. Come in. We'll take some more videos when we get there. And, you know, look after this kids. So we are at the Viaduct port area, you guys. There it is. And right opposite from us is the Commercial Bay Mall. It's pretty new. Oh yeah? This is our ferry. This is everyone. Looks like it's a full cruise today. Alright, so upstairs fully is like packed off with people like to sit outside. Sunny today. I'm talking mom's talk. My love, you enjoying? You want to go see outside? We'll go later.
Yeah, we go swim later.
Yeah, later. Mom. Yeah, sick. I love Falim. What?
I've been on a ferry before from up here to Savati.
How many times?
So many times.
Many times. Yeah.
Look, I have transformed it.
Amira, what happened? Amira's thinking about something, can't quite tell what it is.
85 million. There we go.
Look at that. Oh, Maya. I love this. Everyone's just focusing on eating. Why are we not admiring the view outside? Manaya, sit down. Bye. How's the ride? Are you enjoying the ride? You enjoying? Or are you just enjoying the food?
Enjoying the ride.
Okay. So it goes faster and then it'll stop somewhere for them to describe what
a very now this is
ferry it was stopping at.
otherwise known as Brown's Island.
It's
the volcanic coast
basically a tour.
island of Western Inches in reference to the rich number of seabirds.
So this is right into the...
So it's more than 6 of the entirety of
It's a better view from outside.
a number of batches amongst the trees. And for those who are
Careful, baby. You're gonna fall. See? You can't stand up. You're gonna fall. Come. You have to crawl. Crawl. You go. Come. Come on,
now, these guns were the most advanced weaponry.
Okay, bro.
And when they were installed back in 1880,
My God, I have the naughtiest nephews and nieces, you guys. Look at
a
them.
network of tunnels and Peter Bay is home to the Navy Museum, which offers free entry
Amira.
and features a lovely exploring Moorhead. Whether you're craving a coffee,
Alright, so we're under the bridge right now.
I mean, we're heading towards it. Look at it, we're close to it.
We're inside, so The view is not that good. Mom, I just wish Dad's here to enjoy this view and the ride, but he's just too lazy to come. Careful, baby. Careful. We're going back. Going back. Going back. Turning back. I really want to go outside, but it's just too windy for my outside. But yeah, I'm going back. Beautiful view. Look at that view.
Now, Samoan AIGA is considered to be one of the most recognisable natural landscapes here in Auckland. What we're coming up with now is the most recognisable man-made ones, the Auckland Harbour Bridge. Opened back in 1959, this bridge is over a kilometre long.
Look, bungee jumping. Cool.
And if you look out in front of us, you can see a bungee jumper who's just jumped off the bungee jump. This is AJ Hackett bungee. And commercial bungee jumping was actually invented here.
That's so cool.
It's an absolutely iconic.
I've always wanted to try that.
And we're very lucky to be able to see him right now.
Say bye-bye, look. Bye.
Give him away. These extensions, formally referred to as the Nippon hook-ons, help alleviate traffic on the bridge. However, these lanes also reach capacity again.
Alright, me and Amaya just came outside to check it out, and it's so nice. It's so sunny today.
For you, I do that 3 4 times again. I testify for you. I told her like you, that bitch. I do it all, and I'm around. You scared to do it. I'm not. Long as you joking, now in for me. I ain't got it. I've been scheming, looting, hide your bodies. Hey, you dreaming about me? Ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you.
I saw my yellow feet.
Huh?
I saw my yellow feet.
Did you?
Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose
Mara.
when I'm with you.
Mara.
I can't just lose and miss the moment. You just too good. Ain't nobody do body like you do. You do. In the top top right with you, I feel like Scarface. Make that way bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. Just take this argument back up to my place. Sex remind you, I'm not violent on you day one. We had together, it was bad together. Match and grab together. Last habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't home when you're not here. Are the grown when you're not here. I'm saying, I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? Nobody do body like you do. I can't.
How beautiful is that view, you guys? What a beautiful day.
That concludes how it was. That was really Look. If you like it, put a ring on it. If you like it, put a ring on it. Alright, so we paid for 2 hours car park, and it costed us $40. Oh, everything's expensive these days. Anyway, we want to go find somewhere to eat, probably get food and take it home to eat it over there. Yeah. Sky Tower. Mom's having her KFC and baby's sleeping.
Yeah.
I got you KFC. Yeah? If I come.
Yeah.
And did I bring the brownies? Oh yeah, the brownies in there. Oh. Shit, better be. Is it? Oh yeah. Brownies in there. Just getting some Indian stuff for Indian cooking, some Indian food. Gosh, look at how beautiful the soup is. My mom just made it for my dad. I think I'm gonna close up the video right here. I'm gonna close up the vlog right here. Yeah, we had a really good day. Enjoy the ferry ride around the harbour. We had to come home. Well, I went to see my sister. Mario's looking at me. And then we just went and got some groceries. And now we're at home. Mom made the soup. She's so good. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for watching this vlog. And I will see you in